everyone, my name is Lily. Today I'm going to show you my new cotton slime. Remember to wash your hands before you play with slime. You don't want to play with germs. And now let's get this started. First, I'm going to open the middle one. It looks orange or yellow. Let me move these in the side. Let me take this out. And it's stretchy. And it also feels like slime and sand. Okay. Now let me shape it like a ball. And roll it. And then we put it right there. And put the little twig. And now I'm gonna do pink, because pink is my favorite color. It's stretchy. And it also feels like slime sand. Can you roll it like a ball? And let me do it like that. Right next to the yellow one. And now I'm gonna put the seahorse on top. Now I'm gonna do the green. It's really stretchy. Let me shape it like a circle and an oval. And we put it right there with the little fishy. Let me do the yellowish greenish one. Let me put it right there. The octopus. It's really stretchy. You can see really stretchy. Let me put it like a circle. And then we put it right next to the yellow one. And then we put the octopus. Now, let's do the blue one. And it has a seashell. It's kind of like light blue color. And it's really stretchy. Let me put it on top of here with the seashell. Now let me do the purple one. It has a duck or a bird. It's really stretchy and pretty color. And you can roll it like a ball. And now let me put it right next to the blue. And now let me do the pinkish orange color. And it has another seashell. Let me do that. Stretch it. And it's a pretty color. I like this color. Now let me put this right next to the purple. I put the slime in this tub to mix together. What color do you think it will turn into? I think it's going to be dark green. Let's see if I guessed the color or if you guessed the color right. Now let me take these off. Take it off, take it off, take it off. Okay, ready? I'm going to mix them. It looks colorful and pretty. You can see the slime colors. It feels stretchy. Now let's see what color it'll turn. It looks really bright. And it looks like tie-dye. And now you can see the pretty slime. It looks like a unicorn color. And it's really stretchy. Let me take some and put them in these. Now let me take them out. Take some. And now let's take them out. Let's take some. And now let's take them out. And now let's take some more and take it out. More. And now let's take it out. And now more. And let's take them out. And one more. And let's take them out. I think this looks pretty. I like the colors. It looks like a tie-dye color, unicorn color, and a rainbow color. And it's really stretchy. And you can see the colors. And it's stretchy. I thought it was going to turn into a dark green, but it's not. Did you guess the color correctly? I think it's kind of like purplish yellowish color. Did you like it? Leave the comments below. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it, and don't forget to watch my other videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications. Thank you. Bye.